Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to use Target gift cards online. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with. Here I'm going with Google Chrome, and on the search URL type in target.com. Once you press enter on your keyboard, you will land on the official page of Target, and if necessary, log into your account. Here I have already logged into my account, and once you're logged in, at the upper right corner of this interface, there you will get your profile icon. So click over there. You will get expanded menu. From there, search for gift card and click on gift cards. And on this page, in order to add your gift card, tap on Add Gift Card from the right hand side of this interface. And on this page, you have to enter your gift card number and your access number. You will get your gift card number and access number at your gift card. Gently remove the metallic strip on the back of your gift card to reveal both the card and access number. Once you see that numbers, then enter your card number under this card number. And under that, enter your access number. Tap on. Once you do that, click on add, and then your gift card will be added to the Target account. And that's how you can simply add your gift card on Target. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.